Good morning, students. Welcome in our new online class. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you who attend the class regularly. So now we discuss the problems that are given in the practice 1.1. So in the first sum, we have to find the values of the sum following integers with the addition or the subtraction of the integer. So we already discussed about the rules of the additions and the subtractions of the rules of subtraction of the integer. So we applicable these rules in the first sum and find the answer. So firstly, look at the a part. We have a first the integer in the negative sign and other is the positive. So subtraction is takes place. We subtract the integer and get the value, and the sign is in the answer that take place with the greater number sign. आंसर में वो साइन लगेगा जो ग्रेटर जो नंबर बड़ा है उसके साथ साइन है वो आंसर में साइन लग जाएगा. सी पार्ट, this is C part. So D, E, F we already discussed all the sums. So after the completion of first sum we move to the second sum, that is given statement is true or false, give the reason of the true and false also. So if we look the A part, it is very similar or look like a commutative property of the addition, and we know that the commutative property of addition is satisfied or a hold in the addition, so this is a true. And second B part, that is a associative property of the subtraction, that is false. Left hand side not equal to right hand side, you can check left hand side and right hand side's value. If you have any doubt either the left hand side and right hand side equal or not, you can check the values, then write your answers. If the values are same, the answer is true. If the values is not same or different, right hand side and left hand side values are different, then the answer is false. So associative property does not hold in the subtraction of the integers, we know that. Okay, so C part is associative property of the addition, and we know that it is true. Associative property of addition of the integers is hold. And a D part, here pay the attention to the D part because the examiner or the book writer gives mold the statement. They write here minus minus, and we know that if we multiply minus into another minus, the answer is positive, that we already discussed in the previous classes. So it is very similar to the commutative property. So we convert this statement into the commutative property, and then we know that commutative property of addition is hold. So these are the true. Is that clear to everyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt by the comment in the video. I will try to clear your doubt in the online section also. So now move on the third sum. In the third sum we have to find the values of the given integers. In the first sum they give only 2 or 3 integers, but in the third sum they give us more than 3 integers and we have to solve them. But if we want to solve them, we have to simplify our calculations. So firstly solve the brackets along with their signs, then recognize the numbers and add them. That made your calculations easy. So ये सम आप ध्यान से देखो, इसमें मैंने जो भी सॉल्व किया है उसको पहले मैंने इजी कैलकुलेशन बनाई है अपने, जो मुझे इजी लगी. जैसे अगर पीछे 5 होगा 0 होगी तो उसको ऐड करना माइनस करना आसान रहेगा. तो मैंने क्या किया, पहले उनको 5 10 के मल्टीपल बनाने की कोशिश की जो बन रहे थे. जिस सम में नहीं बन रहे थे तो उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जिसमें बन रहे थे मैंने बनाए, ऐड किया, माइनस किया, सॉल्व किया. ओके, clear? Now move on the fourth sum. This is a number line. Solve the sum on the number line. So I solve the sum on the number line as well as simple method also. So minus 10 minus 8, we know that the answer is minus 18. So I solve this sum on the number line. We place 0 in the center, but when we solve the sums there is no need to place a 0 center. We because number line is so big and we draw only that integers that we required in our answers. So here I mark the minus 10, and then I want to subtract the 8. So if I want to subtract from the integer, then I have to move the left side from that integer. So I move 8 steps left from that integer and I reach at 18. So 18 is my answer. Is that clear? So in the next integer we have a 8 minus minus 6. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन में से किसी भी इंटीजर में से माइनस 6 को माइनस इंटीजर वाले को माइनस करना है तो आप राइट साइड जाओगे उतने स्टेप. जैसे मैं 8 के राइट साइड 6 स्टेप गया, 14 पर पहुंच गया. दिस इज अ रूल. ओके. अगर हमने प्लस वाला इंटीजर माइनस करना है तो लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे, अगर माइनस वाला माइनस करना है तो राइट साइड जाएंगे. दैट्स सिंपल. अगर माइनस वाला नंबर प्लस करना है तो लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे, अगर प्लस वाला नंबर प्लस करना है तो राइट साइड जाएंगे. बस ऐसे किए. मैंने ये एरो मैंने आपके लिए लगाई हैं ताकि आपको पता लग जाए भी हम किस साइड मूव हुए हैं. ओके. अगर इसमें से कोई डाउट हुआ तो आप पूछ लेना, ठीक है. जस्ट अगर कोई नहीं डाउट है तो जस्ट आप वीडियो देखकर, बाकी सभी सब में ऐसे ही किए हुए हैं मैंने. आई थिंक मुझे नहीं लगता ये एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. अगर कुछ भी लगा आपको तो आप डायरेक्टली पूछ लेना, फिर मैं उसको दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा आपके लिए. ओके. आफ्टर दिस वी मूव ऑन द स्टेटमेंट सम्स. आवर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सम्स from the sum of minus 156 and 67 subtract the sum of 109 and minus 109. So firstly we solve the minus 156 and 67, that is minus 89. Then solve the minus 109 and 109, that is 0. Now from the minus 89 you subtract 0, you got a minus 89 as a answer, as a result. Is that clear to everyone? So in the sixth sum, we have given the sum of two integers, that is minus 15, and also give the one integer, that is 87, and find the second integer. So let us second integer is x. So according to the question, the sum of two integer is minus 15. So now we solve the value for x and get the second integer, that is minus 102. So in the seventh sum, the position of submarine is given, that is below the sea level. If we talk about below the sea level, the distance in the negative integer. If we talk about the above the sea level, the distance in the positive integers. So if we talk about below the sea level, the submarine is minus 190 feet below from the sea level. So the position of submarine changed 335 feet ascending. So ascending means move towards the surface of the sea. Move towards the surface of the sea. It means that distance should be taken in the positive integer. So when we add one negative integer and a second positive integer, the answer is, the subtraction takes place and the answer is minus 615, or 615 feet below the sea level is a new position of the submarine. So in the eighth question, the temperature in a lake is given, that is minus 5, and at night temperature is dropped at 9 degree. When the temperature is dropped, it means the temperature go in the minus form, or you subtract the temperature from the given temperature and got the answer. So temperature in a lake now minus 5 plus minus 9, or minus 5 minus 9, simply minus 14. There is no need to write this step. By mistake I write this step, but there is no need to write this step, that is minus 5 plus minus 9. Okay. You can also skip this step and directly this step, move on directly this step. If you skip this step, you have to also remove minus 9 from your answer. So in the ninth sum, outside temperature at sunrise, that is below the 0, minus 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius below the 0, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature rose at lunch time, that is 21 degrees Celsius. Temperature fall in night, 11 degree Celsius. So temperature, we find the temperature at end of the day, minus 3 degrees Celsius plus 21 degrees Celsius minus 11 degrees Celsius. So firstly we solve minus 3 and 21, that is 18 degrees Celsius minus 11. 18 minus 11, 7 degree. So the temperature at the end of the day is 7 degrees Celsius. So again the submarine hovers in the sea, that is 310 meters below the sea level. Firstly descends. Descends means सरफेस से दूर जाना. तो ये पहले माइनस 310 पर थी, उसके बाद 180 मीटर नीचे गई. ओके, इट मीन्स दैट डिस्टेंस शुड बी टेकन इन द नेगेटिव इंटीजर. देन द सबमरीन असेंड्स इट्स पोजीशन बाय 275 मीटर. मतलब देन उसके बाद वो 275 मीटर ऊपर आई. न्यू पोजीशन फाइंड करनी है, दैट इज माइनस 310 माइनस 180 प्लस 275. You got the answer, that is 215 meter below the sea level, or a minus 215. Is that clear? This is your practice 1.1, answer key of practice 1.1.